a boy with his lawnmower. Push that lawnmower.
Yeah, Mommy, I'm blowing that grass.
Whoa, I can't even keep up with him.
Yeah, I'm mowing that grass, Mama. Oh, I'm mowing Daddy's leg, Mama.
Bye-bye.
Mommy, I'm mowing the grass. Good job, Stormy. Oh, pull the tartar. Yeah, that's a drill. Good job, Stormy.
What you got, buddy? You got it all wired up? You got it?
Train.
It's ready to go.
Kick it.
Vroom, 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 vroom.
There we go.
Vroom, vroom, vroom. All right, ready to go.
There you go. Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah, all right, turn around. Turn around, cut the other side. Oh, there we go. Tough. All right. I'm going to cut the concrete, Mom. Yeah, oh, yeah. I'm fast, Mom. Look how fast I am. All right, turn around, cut some more. Yeah. Start it up. Crank it up. There you go. Good boy.
Good job, buddy.
Good boy. Run, 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 run.
Woo! Oops.
Yeah. Come on, boy. Cut it. Yeah. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Look at that. Uh-oh, whoa. Start it up. Start it up. Start it up. There you go. Cut some concrete, Mom. Yeah, there we go, Mom.
Whoa.
Stop cranking. Crank it up. Pull the string. Oh, back. Oh, back.
Watch out, Daddy.